Hi everyone in the Essential Oil Circle. My name is Mandy and today I wanted to talk to you guys about flowers and essential oils. So spring is officially here in my little town of Highland, Utah, and we literally have some gorgeous flowers that I really wanted to show you. And then I'm going to talk to you about what to do when you cut flowers and which oils are best. So let's go on here. I'm just going to flip you around. And isn't that green grass just amazing? Let me just see here. There we go. Okay, so these all just came out today. Yesterday we had just a few of them, but aren't they just gorgeous? These tulips are so beautiful. I love them so much. And like, look at this one right here. Can you believe the color of that? Isn't that gorgeous? So because they're so beautiful and because I have so many of them, I decided that, ooh, sorry, there I am. My gimbal's being weird. I decided that it's time to cut them and put them in some water and put them in my house. So before I do that, I just wanted to talk to you about some tips when you are cutting flowers and you want them to last longer. So there's actually a couple oils that work really well. You always want to make sure and cut your flowers on an angle so that they can pull in the most nutrients during that time. And I have a giant mason jar. This is like an extra large mason jar. I actually like to can, and so I had a couple of these. And then the oil that I like to use, you actually can add a few things to help flowers last longer. The first thing that you can add is sugar, because that will feed the flowers. The second thing that you can add is apple cider vinegar. That really helps with bacteria and stuff like that. But the number one recommended oil for fresh cut flowers is a melaleuca. And so you simply, let me just see if I can do this here. I'm actually gonna have my daughter take over for me. So Rach, will you grab this? And then, here we go. Turn it around so that, am I there? Hi everyone. Okay, so what you do is you just take one drop and you put it, there we go, in the water. Okay, now follow me along. I want to get some of these these are just so gorgeous, seriously. So I'm going to cut it at an angle, kind of like that. See how beautiful that is? And then put it in there. It's going to last a little bit longer. Let's come down here. I wanted to grab this one as well. It's got some really fun colors. So once again, we cut it at an angle, put it in that melaleuca water. Let's do this one, too. So beautiful. And this will really extend the life of these beautiful flowers. So just one or two drops of melaleuca and maybe a little bit of sugar, apple cider vinegar, and your flowers are gonna last a lot longer. Okay, have a wonderful day. I would love your tips on keeping fresh flowers fresh. So if you've got any, please post them in the comments below. See ya, bye.